Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. I am super excited for this video because I have something really simple, doable and affordable for you guys to explore, and this is a sunrise, basically morning skincare routine, which is super easy. So if you want to know what these products are and what am I talking about, then please stay tuned with me till the very end of this video. Okay, so super excited for this video, and I'm gonna take you through all the products. Obviously, I'm gonna tell you what I like about this product, what I don't like about this product, and everything. But first of all, I want to tell you that I'm very excited for these products because these are all made in India. So yay, being vocal for local. So that's really something good. And now I will take you through the products. So all the products that I'm going to talk about in this video are from Pilgrim India brand. Now this brand has is coming up with a newer line of products, which is the Vinotherapy range, and which I have tried and which I'm going to talk about in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the very first step, of course, in our skin regime, in my skin regime, in anybody's skin regime, has to be face washing. You have to wash your face before you do anything to your skin, right? So the very first product that I'm going to talk about is the Pilgrim India ka face wash. This is the how the packaging looks like. So this product comes in a cardboard box, quite normal. This is how it comes, and this is how the bottle looks like. What I really like about this bottle is that it's not in a tube. It's like a bottle, you know, and this is how you can open the product, which is really convenient to use. I feel it's very much easier rather than a tube because ek to product wastage is very less in these kind of bottles, and something like you can probably just see, you know, through the bottle how much you have used and how much you have not. So really like the idea of giving something like this in a face wash. Very unique also. The price of this product is $350 and you get 100 ml of the product. You guys, I think it's a brilliant price point. It's really affordable, not heavy on your pockets, and something you can really invest in, right? Now the product is, you know, the key ingredient of all these products is going to be wine, because this is the Vinotherapy range. So the major thing that a red wine is known to do for your skin is to basically provide that skin tightening, and it helps you fight your aging signs. So that is, I think, probably the idea that I would take from these products, is that it is kind of aiming to fight all the aging signs. Now it's a face wash. So for me, I'm from a dry skin family. So for me, I always look for something that doesn't rip my skin out when I'm using it, right? Because it's a face wash. So since it's a washing agent, many face washes tend to just dry out my skin, which is why I don't like using them. But this was so good, you guys. This is infused with aloe vera gel, and when I used it, it did not dry my skin whatsoever, and it really, like, it felt like my skin is cleansed properly and every dirt has come out. So love this about the product, that even though this is so affordable, like till now in the affordable range, I wasn't able to find a face wash which was cleaning my skin and at the same time was not drying out my skin, which was so important. You know, I'm from dry skin family, and I am so happy that this product does not dry me out. I love this fact about this particular product.
Now I'm going to show you the usage of this face wash. So I take something like this much of amount in my hand, and this is like a gel based face wash. It's not like a cream based face wash, and I I take my time for 2 minutes and I nicely clean my entire face. As you can see, it lathers really well, but I would say the lather is not drying on my skin. Like, I never feel drying when I'm applying this. Quite creamy in texture and lathers really well. Okay, I'm done washing my face and you can see it's glowing. I love how refreshed I feel after using this. I feel rejuvenated, honestly. The smell, honestly, is so good. You feel super refreshed.
Okay, now that we have washed our face, we are ready to put some nice products on our face. And the very first thing that I would like to do when I don't miss out on is a toner. So I got my hands on this, the Pilgrim India Ka Face Mist and Toner. This is how the bottle looks like for this, and this is their outer packaging. This is like a standard cardboard packaging, and this is how the bottle looks like. This is again very affordable. This is for 300 and you get like a 100 ml ka bottle. What I love about this is it is a mist and a toner. So I love the packaging idea because you can use it even when you are traveling, right? If you are out in sun and you just want to spray it on your face, like I want to spray something on my face right away, I can. And the best part is that it gets absorbed super quickly, and you know, these products smell so nice. So once you apply this on the go also, you're gonna feel really refreshed and nice. And of course, this is a toner, so you can use it every day. I use it every day in the morning. Very refreshing. And the key ingredient in this is the red wine, of course, because this is like a red wine range. But apart from that, it also has nicotinamide and aloe vera gel, and I cannot stop talking about aloe vera gel. You guys know that. So if any product has aloe vera gel, it is supposed to nourish your skin, and that's exactly what it does. But nicotinamide, which I really want to talk about a little bit, because it's an ingredient that is meant to basically repair your cells, and you know, it just over some time, when you like with the regular use of nicotinamide, is just gonna improve the overall texture of your skin, which is something that all of us are looking for. And usually nicotinamide products are very costly, but I really like the fact that this is not heavy on your pockets. Still, it has some amount of nicotinamide, and it is going to improve your skin texture. But the very important thing that I want to highlight about this product is that whenever I use it, it just works so wonderfully over the makeup. After my face wash, it just makes me feel really refreshed, like my skin feels glowing and it just feels hydrated very well. So if I'm out and, like, you know, I think I reviewed the Forest Essential ka toner and I told you it's really costly and all. I think it's doing that job for me, and it's really not that heavy on your pocket. So love this product.
Okay, once I'm done washing my face, next step is to spray this all over my face. The particles, the spray is really fine, so really like that about this product. I spray it all over my face. As you can see, the texture of this is water based. It's not a cream based or a milk based toner. It's a water based toner, and it gets absorbed really quickly to my skin, which I really like about this product. And once it's absorbed well into my skin feels really well hydrated, and I love the fact that there is like a radiance left over.
And the last and the final product of this morning regime is a moisturizer. This is again by the Pilgrim Code, and this is again by the Vinotherapy range. This is again affordable because you just pay 550 rupees for 50 gram of a cream. Lovely product. Again, the packaging is, you know, the standard cardboard packaging. This is how it looks like, and this is how the tub comes in. And you also get a spatula with this if you want to use the cream with that, which I don't really use, but it's a very good idea because a lot of people don't want to you know, put their finger in the cream, which if you are particular about that, then you do get the spatula which you can use to scoop out the cream. This is a plastic bottle, so very easy to travel with, and you know, the bottle is not at all bulky. Usually a lot of creams come itna bada dabba mein, inside it will be like a little bit of product, but this is not like that. The packaging is just right about for the product amount, and it is not at all heavy, so very easy to travel with. This is what I really love about this range. You can travel with these products very easily. Very compact these are, and very nicely done. So kudos to the Pilgrim India for packing something so nicely. And of course, the most important thing is how the texture is and how the cream is. So this is how the cream looks like, and it's a bit pink in texture. I don't know if you can see, but the color is not exactly white. It's lightly peachy pink kind of the texture this is. And Okay, I'm gonna show you the texture. So you see, this is not at all, it's so lightweight. That's the wonderful thing. Like when I apply this here, it just gets absorbed like super quickly. That's what I love about this moisturizer, you know. So basically the issue that I face with moisturizer generally is that if it is too light in texture, if it is gel like, then it doesn't nourish my skin properly, and if it is heavy on the skin, then I don't like the feel of it after I apply it. But this one, it's so good. Like I really like it because I think I wasn't finding any I think I remember telling you that moisturizers ke liye I always go for the Korean thing, but apart from that, the Sephora range is what something I like for summers. But you guys, this is cheaper than Sephora one. This is just 550, but still doing the job so nicely. And guys, the key ingredient in this is one of my most favorite. No, I'm not talking about aloe vera gel. It has the red wine, and I am talking about vitamin C, you guys. You know I have been a big fan of vitamin C for the past 1 year, and you know that I've been telling that including vitamin C intake and bahar se is going to improve the skin texture, is going to help you with your hyperpigmentation. So please start using it. And what's like, you know, instead of using the vitamin C serum, I have vitamin C infused in this. So this is such a great idea. And apart from that, it also has rosehip oil, which is so important because it has vitamin C. So it should have something that really nourishes your skin very, very well. So lovely product, and the lovely list of ingredients this has, which is what I really appreciate. And trust me, you guys, once you start using these products, these are amazing and you're gonna love it.
Okay, now I'm too up close with you, but yeah, this is my third step in my skincare. I use this moisturizer, and I forgot to mention the fact that it has vitamin C, but it also has SPF in it of 30, which is very important. And this is the spatula that I was talking about that you can use to take out your cream and apply all over your face. So I have taken this much amount of the product, and now I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then I gently spread this cream all over my face and massage nicely. I take my time, but it does not take time to get absorbed to your skin. But I just like massaging my face in the morning. And this is how my skin looks like once I have done massaging the cream all over my face. I feel it looks really well nourished and moisturized, which is what I always look for. So love this product.
Okay, so that was all about the products, and now I want to talk about this brand specifically because you know, this is like a made in India brand. These all products are made in India, and that's something that gives me such a big pleasure to be able to talk about products that are made in India. So definitely kudos to Pilgrim India. These products are sulfate free, these are paraben free, these are cruelty free, you guys. That is so good. It is not tested on animals, so this is cruelty free. And then these products are suitable for all skin types. You do not have to worry, right, that you have sensitive skin or oily skin and it's not gonna suit your skin tone, because these products are made with ingredients that are suitable for all sort of skin types, and the texture is not too heavy or too light for any skin type. I need not to say, matlab, even guys need to do the skincare, which I have been telling on my channel for quite some time. So please do keep it in mind that these products are suitable for women and men. So do not hesitate before trying these products. If you are a guy, this is not just for girls. And what really caught my eye on the packaging, which was so unique and so nice to see, was their Pilgrim code. It says the Pilgrim code, and I'm going to read it out for you. The Pilgrim code is: we say yes to love and craft, authenticity, nature secrets, and wanderlust. It's so nice, right? And of course, the other one is: we say no to sulfate, parabens, mineral oils, the toxic 20. So basically their code is telling that their product are absolutely authentic. It's taken from the nature. It's supposed to do good for your skin. They do not have any sulfates or parabens or toxins present in their product. So amazing. Super proud of the product that is made in India, and I'm really happy about the fact that the products are actually affordable and very, very, very nice. Okay, last but not the least, you are gonna find these products on their official website, which I'm gonna leave in the description box below. So make sure you do check that out. And also want to shout out and thank brand itself for sending me these lovely products and introducing me to such lovely range of products. I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna keep repurchasing these products because I have fallen in love with these products. That's pretty much about this video. I hope you like this one, and I really want you all to try these products because these are amazing. You have to try it to believe it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like these products, if you are liking the reviews that I'm giving, and if you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay very happy. Namaste.